So there you are, that is Bang Bang sauce. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're talking Bang Bang sauce. The core elements of Bang Bang sauce everybody can make, but we're going to make a change on the core elements. Everybody uses honey, we're using sugar. I've made this in bulk for many years. You know, we've made 6, 7, 8 kilos of the stuff per time. So sugar is a better option than honey. If you're making a small batch, honey works well. Now we're talking about the core elements of Bang Bang sauce. There are many variations. We've got tangy, garlicky, we have a spicy, we have a nutty, we have an Asian, and we've got a more healthier version using Greek yogurt instead of mayo. Okay, let's talk the core elements of Bang Bang sauce. Here we go. In here, 3 tablespoons of mayo, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. We want about between 1 and 2 teaspoons of Sriracha. Depends on what you like, you know. So we're going to go about 2. And it's a case of 1 teaspoon of honey or 1 teaspoon of sugar. The choice is yours. And then it's a mix. And that is the core elements of Bang Bang sauce. Right there. Nothing complicated whatsoever. And that is a beautiful Bang Bang sauce. So all you do, because you're using sugar, you just give it a little stir through until you don't hear any grating, grinding, gritty noises. That's all. Now you could just leave it alone, and the sugar will dissolve in there with the vinegars and things that are in the Sriracha and the sweet chili sauce. So there isn't a worry. You could just put it all in, give it a stir and leave it. There you go. Bang Bang sauce made. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make Bang Bang sauce. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell so you don't miss any notifications when we upload. Bang Bang sauce made.